Okay, so I want to talk about the mean value theorem or calculations. For this case, the calculation of number 5. And I like this question because they are not very difficult. They're very, very easy. So let's read this question together. So here it says, giving that function f is defined by f of x of 1 minus x to the cube, where all the functions c in the closed interval 0 to 3 that satisfy conditional mean value theorem. So let's talk about mean value theorem again. Is this case f is continuous because this is actually a polynomial, so continuous between 0 to 3. Okay, if it's anything polynomial, so anything polynomial or sine and cosine, they are automatically always continuous. Now in this case, so this also differentiable, so is differentiable between A and B. Now not including endpoints, so those are things that are very, very important because it does affect those questions. So now I'm gonna do is, so the result is f of b minus f of a over b minus a equal to f prime of c. Now this is called a secant line slope, so I'm gonna plug in, I'm gonna evaluate on the side. I'm gonna say f3 is equal to 1 minus 3 squared. So it'd be to the third, sorry. So it'd be negative 2 to the 3, which is negative 8. And f of 0 is going to be 1. So at this case, it will be negative 8 minus negative 1 over 3 minus 0 equal to f prime of c. So in this case, it will be, oh sorry, this is f of 0 is 1, so this is not negative 1, so this is a 1. So therefore, it's going to be negative 9 over 3 is equal to f prime of c. Then you got negative 3 equal to f prime of c. So that means I need to take a derivative. So I'm going to take a derivative of this. So f prime of x is equal to 3 times 1 minus x to the second power, chain rule times negative 1. So it'll be negative 3 times 1 minus x to the square f prime of x. I'm going to plug in c in this case. So it'll be negative 3 equal to negative 3 times 1 minus c to the square. So that's equal to 1 equal to 1 minus c to the square. Now what happens if I'm going to square root both sides? So it'll be 1 minus c is equal to plus minus 1. So c is equal to 1 minus 1 or equal to 1 plus 1. So that's equal to 0 or 2. So the problem is you're going to get two solutions here. Now those solutions is going to be 0 and 2. So that means at 2 you're going to have the same slope of the secant line, and also at 0. But there's only, the problem is that satisfy the condition of the mean value theorem. But if something that's at endpoint that's not satisfied, so 0 is not satisfied, only 2 is satisfied. So the answer is B only. So those are the things that I think a student got to be able to do it. So this is the idea of mean value theorem. So hopefully you can watch a video and understand how to take a derivative of this. Now your worksheet is going to go only from 1 to 10 except 10a and 10b because you don't know how to take a derivative of natural log and also arcsine. So hopefully that will help you in terms of this case.